A very warm good morning to all of you. I hope you all have understood the meaning of triumph over here. Triumph here means the victory, and surgery here stands for the medical exercise that has been given by Mr. Harriet, doctor, to improve the health of Tricky. So, medical surgery has been replaced by the physical movement of the body, physical exercises that is needed to maintain a proper health. So, a triumph of surgery. The chapter revolves around three main characters named as Tricky, the dog, Mrs. Pamphray, rich mistress, and Mr. Harriet, doctor. Through this, it shows that how excessive love of Mrs. Pamphray made Tricky sick and became a reason for its illness. This shows how excessive love can take the form of extreme consequences. If you remember, when we started the chapter, I quoted something that how excess of anything can lead you to the path of destruction. How excess of anything, be it love, be it money, anything that can easily destroy you if you will not take care of the things. So, in this chapter, the excessive love by Mrs. Pamphray put Tricky in such a terrible condition that it became a need to send Tricky to the hospital for 15 days. It became very important to improve the health of Tricky. So that is why he was being sent to the hospital for 15 days. He was kept under observation for 15 days because the situation of Tricky was very terrible. So, although she was doing out of love, but she was not able to understand the gravity of the situation that due to the overfeeding, due to the extra meals that she was giving, will put Tricky in such a position that it will affect its health to such a great extent. The moral of the chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, is that anything in excess, even food if given more than required, will harm the body, health of a person as well as other creature. So one should use the resources efficiently and effectively. I had given you another example that if any person is earning a lot of money, then slowly and gradually he will become a spendthrift. He will spend his money carelessly without any cautiousness because he is not valuing the things he is gifted with. Not everyone has so much of money. If you have, then you should better use it effectively and efficiently so that you yourself will not be in trouble in future because you was doing things cautiously, you was actually valuing the things, you was actually valuing the resources you had, right? So here, because she was rich, she can have access to anything, but she was not able to understand that she is overfeeding. She was giving Tricky chocolates, wine, eggs, everything extra meals that is not required, that was not good for the health of Tricky, but still she was doing that because of love. She thought that Tricky might be suffering from malnutrition, and that is why she was giving things. She was giving extra meals. She never said no to Tricky, and that was the reason. That was the main reason behind Tricky's such condition, right? So these are the characters. I have given you this in pointer form so that you will elaborate it on your own. Mrs. Pamphray was a rich lady. She was tender hearted. She was anxious. She was overindulgent. Anxious means she is not able because she was not able to understand the gravity of the situation. That is why she used to act very anxiously. She used to get anxious. She used to get tensed very easily. She was not able to understand that what I need to do. Are you getting my point? That she was not able, if you are in a problematic situation, so few might be able to deal with it very calmly and few might get very tensed very easily. Okay, then what we need to do, how we'll solve this situation, how we'll get out of this. So Mrs. Pamphray was not able to do that. That is why she was considered as an anxious person. And how she was overindulgent, that she used to pamper him in a very silly manner, overfeeds him, and Mrs. Pamphray was a perfect example of a woman who, for lack of anything, who, for lack of anything better to do, end up doing more harm than good by being overindulgent. That if she is not able to understand that something is lacking, so she will not try to balance that thing. She will do extra of that, and that will put other creature, other person in a very problematic situation. And that is what she did to Tricky as well, right? Next is Mr. Harriet. She was a famous veterinary doctor. He was kind-hearted, he was sensible, he was practical and tactful person. Tactful means who used to act, a person who used to act very in a very practical manner, in a very rational manner, who knows how to deal with the situation, who knows it's better to deal situation calmly rather than being tense or being anxious or by overreacting to the situation. He was determined and he was a helpful neighbor. Thank you.